What's up, motherfuckers? Hey! Today we're gonna be doing a Doja Cat makeup tutorial. But before you keep watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and if you didn't like it, still give it a thumbs up. And if you can, I would truly appreciate a beautiful positive comment down below. I already started with my foundation because that takes way too long. If you have trouble with foundation, how to apply it, I feel like everybody knows how to apply foundation, right? I have a video for you guys. I have a million of videos of me applying my foundation. We're just gonna move on to highlight and contour. Just to show you guys really quick, the foundation that I use today is the All Hours foundation from YSL. Oh my god, what the so yeah, this is like my favorite, one of my favorite foundations. Is a natural finish, not too matte, not too dewy. Is just right in the middle. So yeah, we're gonna get started. Concealers that I'm going to be using, oh my god, I didn't even fucking wet my beauty blenders. Hold on, I went and wet my beauty blenders. I'm using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Almond and Caramel. I think I'm gonna just use Caramel right now. Let's see. I'm gonna just use Caramel. I'm gonna use this under my eyes. And if I'm acting a little, if I'm being a little loud, a little weird, a little, you know, just out of the ordinary, I'm very like, yeah, we're gonna do this and we're gonna do that next. You know why? Because it is 4:37 in the afternoon and I have energy. I usually do my videos late at fucking night. Everyone's sleeping, and for some reason my walls are so fucking thin. The neighbors can hear everything. So me being a very considerate neighbor, I don't want them to listen to my shenanigans late at night at 3 o'clock in the fucking morning. I have manners, you know. Now we're gonna, sorry, let me chill out. I chose Doja Cat because she is one of my favorite artists right now. And it's really hard for me to say that when it comes to music, because I fucking hate the music of this generation. This music is trash. Like, not all of it, but like when I hear a song, I'm like, okay, that shit sound hot. Oh yeah, yeah. But there's a lot of songs I'm just like, are you fucking serious? Like, this shit went viral. This shit is popular. I'm really into old school music. Me and my friend, we're driving in my car and stuff, and I'm just shuffling through music and he goes, yo, you literally have every genre of music, you know, because nowadays everybody just listens to trap, and it's just like, enough, all right already. Where's the, like, I want to hear something different, you know. I like Doja because she's so fucking different and she mixes her music with trap sometimes, and I really fucks with it. And I'm just not, I'm alternative, you know. I don't listen to one type of music. Now that we're nice and highlighted, I'm going to use my Becca Skin Love in, I'm gonna use my Becca Skin Love foundation in Walnut, because this is my, I got this in the summer, so it's just way too dark for me right now. Pretty much with the look, I'm mixing a whole bunch of different looks that she has on her Instagram. She's really into color, freckles, which I love. I love drawing freckles on myself. But it also, I don't know, like her look, she loves pops of color and everything, but it still comes off pretty natural, which I really like. Yeah, it's just gonna be like inspired. It's not exactly like a makeup look that she has. Now I'm going to powder under my eyes and areas where I put my concealer with my Derma Blend translucent powder that I fucks with. This powder is freaking everything. I love it. It was a workout. Like always, I will be using my Sephora collection MICROSMOOTH powder, and then I will be using a Lancome powder in 560 Suede. Have y'all heard Doja's new song though? I fucking love this shit. It's stuck in my head. Like Mia. it's never. Next thing we're gonna do is brush this off, well, buff it in. After that, we're gonna add some blush. I'm using my Makeup Forever one. So I'm gonna put this on my cheek and on my nose. So pretty much just going across your face. We're gonna highlight with the NARS Orgasm Illuminating Loose Powder. I said, bitch, I'm too smooth. I'm not in the mood. Trying to make moves. Trying to make moves. Bitch, I'm a cow. Bitch, I'm a cow. I'm not a cat. I don't say meow. Like, the fuck. Now we're going to move on to doing the freckles. I'm using my ColourPop liquid lipstick in Limbo to add, and to add a little bit like of black freckles. I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty Fly Liner. I take some of that on like an angled brush. I'm going to be using my James Charles palette. The first color I'm going to be using is this one right here. It's just that really pretty mauve shade. I think I'm just going to put that all over the lid first.
Hey, listen!
I'm just going to apply that mauve shade all over the lid with the Mikasa E230. So next, just mix the hot pink and that dark chocolate shade. I didn't want it to be super hot pink, and I'm just going to put that in the crease. Blend everything out with a Morphe M514. Next, I'm going to put that purple in the corners with a Morphe M507 and just really pack it on. With that pale banana shade, I'm going to go in with my Mikasa E230 and pack that under my brow bone. Again, with that same Morphe M504, we're not going to add any product, just blend out that brow bone shade. Smoke out that lower lash line with that same hot pink color with that Mikasa E230 brush. I'm gonna do some liner in my waterline. I'm gonna do a wing liner. If you guys have trouble doing that, I'll post a video somewhere. All right, this is the final look. I just applied some liner, some lashes, lip gloss. The lashes that I use, they're always the same ones that I use. They are the Miss Lashes false lashes from my beauty supply. For lips, I did a little concoction because I was just trying to figure out like what shade to use. First, I used the MCGRATH Pale Fire Nectar lip gloss. Is the one that comes in like the little mini sets. If you want to see more on this, I have a Sephora haul and I show you, the sets that I have from it. And then on top of that, I use my Fenty Beauty. It was a limited edition lip gloss that they came out with like last year in the during the holidays. Is the Cosmic Gloss and it's in Platonic Relationship. And yeah, that's it for the look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Please don't forget to leave a comment down below, a beautiful positive comment down below. Give me a big thumbs up if you like this video. If you didn't like this video, still give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed already, please subscribe. Press the subscribe button and I'll see you guys soon.
She's just like